Shut up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatu, and if this is the first time you are seeing my face, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on one of my videos once again. So today I actually have another hair review for you guys. This company sent me some hair, and of course I had to do another review for you guys. You already know. The company Manitou Hair on Amazon contacted me and wanted me to do a review for their hair, and they sent me the bundles 10, 12, and 14 with a 10-inch closure. Okay, so first thing we're gonna talk about is the color of the hair, because I'm telling you guys that this hair is actually black, and I know I'm not bugging. Like, I know I'm not bugging. This hair is black. It's not like that 1B color, that natural color that most companies bring their hair in. This hair is black, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of my wigs, which is like a 1B, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So this is like 1B, the natural color, and then this is the hair color of this hair. So yeah, this hair is like black. So the hair itself is very soft. Okay, that's one thing I could say about this hair, is super soft, and since I've gotten the hair, I haven't gotten any shedding whatsoever. I made this wig and I used the hot glue gun method. I just sewed down the closure and I used the hot glue gun method, and the hair did not shed. It's about the softest. The hair is good quality, honestly. This hair is good quality. Some cons I can say about the hair: the closure. You guys know some closures just come so freaking like straight, like the company just placed the closure there. That's how this closure came. So that's one con about the hair that I did not like. I had to do some plucking to make it not so straight, so it doesn't just look like someone placed the closure there. But yeah, what was that? Yeah, so that's one con I did not like about the hair. The lace that came with the closure was pre-tinted. Like, the color wasn't like no white ashy lace, it was brown lace, which made it easier for me to just put the wig on and go. I don't have to do anything. Right now I haven't even put like foundation or anything on it. It's just there. I didn't bleach the hair either. I might end up bleaching the knots later. I didn't put on no foundation on the lace. I didn't do anything but cut the lace and place the wig on my head. That's pretty much it. Like, I didn't even do any baby hair. It's just sitting there right now. It's just sitting there. So yeah, the closure is not so bad. I believe that you get about like 4 inches of parting space. It's like a 4x4 closure. Yeah, it's a 4x4 closure. The closure itself was kind of dense, but I plucked it and used like my flat iron and just made it a little bit flat right here, and that's all I did to the hair, you guys. So I will end up doing another review on this hair, like a 1 or 2 month review, one of those, so you guys know how the hair lasts and everything like that, because I will be wearing the hair. I will be testing it out. I might end up doing the watercolor method on this hair. I'm just thinking about what color I want to do, but I will be bleaching the hair as well, so stay tuned for that, so you guys know how the hair handles everything like that. I will link this hair and all details that you need to purchase the hair down in my description box. Don't forget to check it out. Like I said, the company is from Amazon, so you get your package pretty quick. So, you know, that's also a bonus. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. Everything will be down in the description box below.